The wait is getting shorter. With the new exam cycle this year, things are moving faster than ever. If you are a class 10 or 12 student waiting for those 2026 results, or a parent trying to keep track of the new April timeline, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the CBSE 2026 result updates. We'll talk about the expected dates, the official websites, as well as how to check your marks even if the site crashes. So let's get straight to the million-dollar questions. When is the result coming out? Historically, we have waited until mid-May for results, but starting this year, the evaluation process was accelerated because CBSE is moving towards a two-exam system. They need to clear the first phase earlier to give students time to prepare for the second opportunity. So, expect the link to go live anytime between April 15th and April 25th, 2026. Keep an eye on the official CBSE X handle. They usually announce the result date just a few hours before the portal opens, typically around 11 a.m. While the board has not issued any official notification confirming the exact date, the fast-track evaluation process driven by the newly introduced two-board exam system strongly suggests an early announcement. For class 12 students, the result is expected to follow shortly as you have already completed your examination. Now, let's talk about the result day. On the day of the result, the official website often gets millions of hits at once and might crash. Don't panic. You have multiple ways to check your results. Number 1, the official portal. You need to head to these websites that you see on your screen. To get your results, you need to have a few things handy, which includes your roll number, your school number, date of birth, admit card ID, as well as your security PIN. In addition, you also have Digital Locker app as well as Umang app, which are available on Google Play Store as well as Apple App Store. These apps will provide you direct access to digital mark sheet. I hope this video answers all your questions. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and join our community of future-ready educators as well as students. The next video will be on what to do once that mark sheet is in your hand. If you have more questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section below. Thank you.